Have you ever had baked smothered pork chops? We enjoy this recipe often at our house. The ingredients are simple and it has an amazing flavor that we all just love. It's really simple to do. You just mix 2 cans of cream of mushroom soup with 1 can of French onion soup and 1 cup of milk. And then I'll spray a 9x13 casserole pan with nonstick spray so I have easy cleanup. And then you add 2 cups of rice, any kind of rice. It can be white, brown, instant, whatever you like. Spread that around, and then I'll add 6 pork chops. I like to fill up my dish, and if we have leftovers, that's good too. And then I'll layer on 1 diced onion up on top, and then pour the soup mixture on top of the pork chops. You cover this with aluminum foil, and you bake it for 2 hours at 275 degrees Fahrenheit. This low and slow temperature is going to help ensure that your pork chops come out juicy and tender. If you cook them too high and too fast, sometimes you can get a tough and dried out pork chop. This will keep them really nice and yummy. And then when you serve it, you can garnish it with parsley if you want to be a little bit fancy and make it nice. You can find this whole recipe on our website. Please make sure that you check it out and enjoy.